Hello everyone. Now in today's lecture we will be discussing on all the important formulae of vectors. Okay, and its applications also. Yeah. After that we will discuss how to use these formulae. Yeah, in solving the questions. Now see here, one number when 2 points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 are given, then AB vector when the points are given, yeah, when the points of directed line are given, then how do you find the vector? By using the component formula x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1. This formula will use to find the vector. Okay, and when there is vector, it has magnitude and direction. So how to find magnitude? Now magnitude of vector AB equals to, you know how to denote the magnitude. This is the notation of magnitude. Magnitude of AB equals to root under simple x square plus y square. Now magnitude means what? Simple distance between the vectors. If this is A point and this is P point, and if the vector moving from A to B, then this is called directed line, and this length of this scale is the distance between the 2 points, and it is called magnitude. So simple using the distance formula, we know the distance formula is whole root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for you finding distance between 2 points. And simple, if you replace x2 minus x1 by x and y2 minus y1 by y, the distance formula or the magnitude formula reduces to root under x square plus y square. So this is the magnitude formula. And direction of vector AB is tan theta equals to y component by x component y by x, and this theta is the direction of vector. And what is the direction of vector? The direction of vector means the angle made by the directed line or a vector to the x-axis. Mostly we say positive x-axis. If this is x-axis and this is the line, then the angle between the x-axis and the directed line, this is called direction of vector. Now here you see this AB is the directed line, and if you produce this AB, it meets x-axis at, let's say, M point, and this AB makes theta angle with the x-axis, and this theta is called direction of vector. Okay, now next is angle between A and B. Okay, here two vectors A and B are here. Let's say this is A vector and this is B vector, and the angle between these two vectors is theta. Yeah, now see this angle between two vectors is theta, then the angle between vectors is formula is cos theta. This is cos theta equals to A dot B divided by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Here don't get confused with this theta and this theta, because these theta are different. This theta is the direction of a vector, and this make the there is single vector. There is single vector, yeah, only AB vector, or you can just suppose this is a A vector. This is simply a vector. So only A vector is there, so it is a direction, and here is two vectors, so this is the angle between two vectors. So angle between the vectors is cos theta equals to A dot B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. And how to find magnitude of A? This is, here is the formula. Okay, and here 5 number is scalar product. Scalar product means when angle between them are given, then scalar product is A dot B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Just cross multiply. Just cross multiply. A dot B equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. When angle between them are given, then you should use this formula. Later on we will be discussing on it. And here the 6 number. 6 number is scalar product when angle is given, angle is not given. When angle is not given, then you should use A dot B equals to x1 x2 plus y1 y2. When vectors are given, in the form of components, then we should use this formula x1 x2 plus y1 y2. And final 7 number, the condition for now here, condition for perpendicular is, or perpendicular or orthogonal is same. Yeah, so condition for perpendicular is A dot B equals to 0, because when the two vectors are 0, then they are always perpendicular. When the dot product is 0, they are always perpendicular. So if they are perpendicular, their dot product is 0, or x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to 0. Okay. 8 number. Now 8 number. Okay. Now 8 number, condition for parallel or coincidence. Parallel is also called coincident, we know, and the condition for parallel is A dot B equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Yeah. So or A vector equals to K times B vector. In class 9, you used to prove the parallel vectors by using this condition. Okay. And in class 10, yeah, we have read is A dot B equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Mostly in numerical problems we use these conditions to prove parallel, and in vector theorem we use these conditions to prove parallel. Now next is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is, let us suppose in this figure A in AB, if M is the midpoint of AB, yeah, M is the midpoint of AB, then finding the position vector of M is OA plus OB divided by 2, we know. So this is OM vector equals to A vector plus B vector divided by 2. Simple, A vector plus B vector divided by 2. And 10 number is section formula. Section formula means what? Yeah, in this line, let's say this is AB line, and if any one of the point P cuts this AB in the ratio M is to N. So here AB is a line and P cuts in the ratio M is to N, then the position vector of P is OP vector. This is OP vector. Yeah, you can just write this is O, no problem. This is O. So the position vector of P is OP vector. OP vector equals to, now just you have to cross multiply here. Right? Cross multiply this into this vector plus this into this vector whole divided by this plus this. So there is N into A vector, N into A vector plus M into B vector, M into B vector whole divided by M plus N. This is the centroid formula. This is the section formula, and the last one is centroid formula. The centroid formula is simple OG vector, yeah, because centroid is generated by Z. So OG vector equals to A vector plus B vector plus C vector whole divided by 3.